She walk on ground. She playing a cricket. I must run on ground. She must play a cricket. I need money. She needs water. Let's start. Let's play. Let her me go to village. Let him play a cricket. I should swim in a well. She must run on ground. She should write a letter. She could writing a letter. I might eat an apple. She must go to village. I should play a rugby. You need water.
हात तर कापायला लागलाय माझं.
This is a tree. This is a ball. Those are flowers. Those are pens. These are books. I like a mango. Also, I can also play a cricket. I am able to run on ground. I could jump on ground. She would play a cricket.
दीड झाला दीड.
I have to play a cricket. I have a book. She had a pen. She has a book. I have a dress. May I go to village? Can I play cricket? I might eat an apple. I am going to Pune.